Unlike permanent markers, variables can be erased and rewritten. Watch what happens when we change them. Today we're discovering the incredible power of changing variables. We'll learn how variables update their values, master the three-step reassignment process, and explore how to join strings together. This is where programming gets exciting. Here's the amazing thing about variables. They're not permanent. Unlike writing in ink, variables are like whiteboards. You can erase the old value and write something completely new. Let's watch this step by step. First, score gets 10. When we print it, we see 10. Then we put 15 into score. The 10 disappears completely. Print it again, and we see 15. Finally, we put 20 in. The 15 is gone forever. Variables only remember their current value. Think of it like labeled boxes in your room. When you put something new in the box, the old thing gets thrown away. The box keeps the same label but holds completely different contents. Here's where many people get confused. Variables don't store multiple values. They don't remember their history. When x equals 5, then x equals 10, x is now just 10. Not 5 and 10 together, just 10. Now here's where it gets really interesting. When Python sees a variable on the right side of the equal sign, it reads that variable's current value first. This lets us do some amazing things. Watch this magic. We start with score equals 15. Then Python processes score equals score plus 5 in 3 steps. First, read the current score. That's 15. Second, calculate 15 plus 5 equals 20. Third, put that 20 back into score. Amazing! Think of this like updating your game score. You check your current score, add your new points, then write down the new total. Same thing Python does: read, calculate, store. Time to test your understanding. Look at this code and think step by step. What will points be at the very end? Remember, variables only keep their latest value. The answer is 250. Point starts as 100, then becomes 200. The 100 disappears. Finally, points equals points plus 50, which is 200 plus 50, giving us 250. Now for something completely awesome. Remember how plus works with numbers? Well, with strings, plus does something totally different. It joins them together. Check this out. We start with message equals hello. Then we say message equals message plus space world. Python reads hello, joins it with space world, and we get hello world. No math, just joining text. We can even join multiple strings. Here we have Python, programming, and a space in between. When we combine them all with plus signs, we get Python space programming. The quotes make all the difference. Here's the key difference to remember. 2 plus 3 gives you 5. That's math. But quote 2, quote plus quote 3 quote gives you quote 23 quote. That's joining. The quotes change everything. Quick challenge. If part 1 is game and part 2 is over, what happens when we add them together? Think carefully about spaces. The answer is game over, all squished together. We didn't include a space, so Python just stuck them together. Remember to add spaces when you need them. Incredible work. You've discovered that variables can change completely. Old values disappear forever. Python uses read, calculate, store for assignments, and plus works differently with strings and numbers. You've truly mastered variable magic. Next, we'll learn the crucial difference between assignment and equality.